Hey there! Want to lock apps on your Xiaomi phone to keep your data safe and private? You are in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set up app locks on your Redmi phone. It's super easy and will help you protect your privacy. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Apps. After that, hit the App Lock option. Next, tap Turn On. Now, you'll be asked to set up a lock method. From the options at the bottom, choose between a password, pattern, or fingerprint. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen lock method. Then, toggle the switch next to the apps you want to lock. Once you have done all these steps, go to your home screen and check to see if your selected apps are locked now. And there you have it, how to lock any app on your Xiaomi phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or need more help? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.